Okay, friends, so just a reminder, we are working from our Writer's Handbook, Opinion 1, and we are doing Lesson 2, Opinion Paragraph. And we are working from our lesson from Monday. So we began on Monday talking about an opinion paragraph, and we said that opinion paragraph needs to use clear words and show how you feel about a topic. It needs to have strong reasons that support and explain the opinion, and it needs to have an ending that repeats your opinion, possibly using different words. So let's look at that again, what we did on Monday. So in order to do this assignment for Wednesday, you really need to have your Monday assignment done. So here we see that this was what we did as a model. So we're giving our opinion. Mrs. Olver's opinion was that the drums are a difficult instrument to play because you have to spend a lot of time practicing. Another reason is because sometimes you might play too fast, but other times you might play too slowly. Sometimes you might play loudly when you should play softly. So I'm talking about how it's hard to find a balance with the drums, I think. In my opinion, drums are a tricky instrument to master. So now we're going to do this part, which is the part where you write your opinion on your own. Except that we're going to actually write it over here on this paper because it's a lot easier to see and a lot more room on here. So right up here, you're going to write your name. So this is mine, so I'm going to put Mrs. Olver. You're going to write your name. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give you some sentence stems for how you can begin your writing. So you can start right here by putting your opinion. So you can say, I think is a good instrument for kids. So you're going to think about different instruments that you could play and that we've learned about and that we've read about in our story on music. And you're going to think about which ones do you think would be the easiest for a child or a kid to learn. Okay, and then you're going to give reasons why you think this. So this first sentence is your opinion. Your next sentence could be one reason is, and then you write your reason, okay? And make sure you put a period at the end of that reason. You could say also, comma, and then give your next reason. So here we have two reasons that support our opinion. If you want to say another reason and challenge yourself, you can definitely do that. If after you give two reasons you think that gives strong enough support for your opinion, then you can bring your writing to a close. And so remember, the direction said you want to restate your opinion as you're closing. And you can change the wording a little bit. So we could say that is why, and then you put the instrument in here again, okay? That's where you put the instrument. Like the drums are best for kids, or you could put children. All right, so this is where you put the instrument. And I'll put choose instrument here in parentheses. So you're not going to write choose instrument. That's where you're going to choose one. And the same thing up here, choose instrument. Okay, so that's where you put, and make sure that you choose the same instrument, okay? We're not changing our opinion from our opening to our closing. So in order to receive full credit for this, friends, we need to make sure we have our opinion, period at the end. We have our first sentence that gives a reason why, period at the end. We have a second sentence, it has a period at the end. Notice we used sequence words or linking words like one reason and also. Then we have our final sentence, our closing, which repeats our opinion in slightly different language. Okay, and so that's 4 sentences. That's what we want to do for our assignment today.